We interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert, Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Lawrence County Sheriff's Office and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a brown tan Dodge Durango, Georgia license tag RRP 0451 on May 29th, 2022 at 16:40 p.m. Jacob Coney, age 2, a black male, was abducted by a 31-year-old black male born September the 25th, 1990, named Tyler M. Coney. Tyler was last seen wearing jogging pants, striped shirt, and a hat. Direction of travel, Houston County, Warner Robins. This child is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Jacob Coney, Tyler M. Coney, or the brown tan Dodge Durango, Georgia license tag RRP 0451, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and or the CSend app for iPhone and Android users.